Title name: Unique animals and birds. Nature is full of amazing creatures. Some animals and birds have very special features that make them different from others. Let us learn about a few unique animals and birds and their interesting qualities. The skink is a type of lizard with a long body and smooth scales. It can move very fast and sometimes even sheds its tail to escape from enemies. The stick insect looks exactly like a dry stick or twig. This helps it hide from predators. This special trick is called camouflage. The hoatzin is a strange bird found in South America. Baby hoatzins have claws on their wings, which help them climb trees. The emperor penguin is the tallest and heaviest penguin in the world. It lives in the cold region of Antarctica and cannot fly, but it is an excellent swimmer. The golden lion marmoset is a small monkey with bright golden-orange fur. It lives in the forests of Brazil and is known for its beautiful mane-like hair. Some animals and birds also have special abilities. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly straight up, down, and even backward. A baby giant panda is very tiny at birth, often weighing less than an apple. Animals like alligators and lemurs have eyes that glow in the dark due to reflected light. The bat is the only mammal that can truly fly. The flamingo often stands on one leg, which helps it conserve body heat. These unique animals and birds show how wonderfully nature works. Each creature has special features that help it survive in its environment. Learning about them helps us appreciate wildlife and understand the importance of protecting animals and birds.